everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Paybis account using your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To delete your Paybis account using your mobile device, the first thing to do is to open up your email account that is registered with your Paybis account. In my case, it's my Gmail, so let me tap it open. Now, tap on Compose. At the bottom right hand corner, compose an email. Into the to text box, type in support@paybis.com, and once you do that, in the subject section, type in request to delete my account. Now, write an email requesting them to delete your account from their database, and also mention to wipe all of your information with them. Once you type in your email, tap on the send button at the top right hand corner. Now, all you need to do is to wait for their reply. That is how you can easily delete your Paybis account right from your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.